guys, let me go outside so you get the full experience. We have made it to Ubud. Oh no, I've locked myself out. That's awkward. Locked myself out. Ryan. This is awkward. Well, let me film this part since he's not answering for some weird reason. We've made it to Ubud. Let me just put the brightness down. This hotel is absolutely amazing. We're staying in the Viceroy and we get our own entrance coming inside. You go down the steps. It wasn't even too long from where we were staying. It's about an hour-ish. And then we get our own private pool. Oh, I could always jump across. If Ryan doesn't answer, I will have to jump across to go to our balcony. Anyway, so yeah, you get your own private pool. And then there's like a balcony bit. Ryan, open the door. I will jump. Thank you. Did you hear me before?
Yeah.
You dickhead. I was thinking, oh my god, he can't hear me. Anyway, you're supposed to come through this door. And then look at the room. It's absolutely huge. So yeah, so you enter through this door. Don't jump across the pool just like I did. Anyway, and they set up this like gorgeous, my phone's already there. Oh, I didn't turn off my phone. So like this gorgeous little bit here with roses and everything. And also when you enter, they give you like a necklace of flowers to wear. And then, so Brian and I have our own desk each and closet each, which is quite nice to be fair. Hello, and our own his and her sinks. Hello. And then a nice bath, obviously. And then the shower as well. I've never seen an open shower. Normally there's a screen or something, but yeah, I've never seen an open shower, so that's different. And then you walk around here, and then you have the lounge area, obviously TV, phone, and all those bits and bobs. And then this is the best bit though. Oh, I've locked the door again. There we go. Then you have obviously the pool area, which I just showed you. It looks quite deep, this pool, which goes obviously to the balcony and all that. Not balcony, to the entrance over there, but you actually have to step in the pool to go that way. And then you have your own like little hut thing, which is so gorge. Oh, I wonder what this is. Ow, I just hit my head on this roof. I don't know what that is. Is it matches? Huh. Don't know. I'll sort that out later. Anyway, and then obviously like lounge beds as well. And then look at that view. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. It is gorgeous here. It's so different to the other hotel. Obviously the other one was like more beachy, more beach vibes and everything. This is more tropical. Obviously we're like near the centre of Ubud, so more tropical and everything. So it's lovely. And then tomorrow I think we're going to visit the waterfall. So there's a day club that I saw online that would be nice to go to. So I want to go there and then go to the beach club. Well, it's not a beach club, not like the Finns one. And do it that way. And even like the taxi driver was like, yes, that's a good place. I was like, excellent. Because with Ryan, I have to convince him to go to these places. Because he thinks I just want to take him to all the Instagram places, which sometimes I do, but sometimes I actually look. I want to make sure we experience everything to the fullest. So yeah, no, it's look at that. This bed is massive. It's amazing here. Absolutely amazing. I think I put my bag over here. Oh, so yeah, we're going to chill. I think it's going to be like a hotel day, really. We also get a massage that we have to book in advance. So that'll be nice to do. A couple's massage. And then, yeah. So today's just a chill day, really. Just chilling by the pool. Could chill by this pool. Could chill by, obviously, the main pool upstairs, which is like an infinity pool. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Then we'll have dinner. I think we're going to have dinner twice in the hotel. And then I can literally hear Ryan using the bidet. I think we'll have dinner twice at the hotel. And then, let me take the shoes off. And then once outside. We'll see. I've got a few places that I like to go to, so we'll see which ones are best. Also, in Bali, they sell you things like, you know, when you're at the beach and stuff, the people of Bali sell you things. So I was like, okay, let's buy something. So I got this ring, which I think is quite cute, and it matches obviously the colour of my rings here. So yes, I thought this was just like a little ring, which I thought was quite cute. And they also gave me, he didn't even have to, what was his name? I think it was Antonio, his name was. But he gave me this little, what's it called? Anklet for free. Let me take this off so I can show you properly. Yeah, he gave me this little anklet for free. I was like, oh, like because we said we're on our honeymoon and stuff. So yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to get it properly. So yeah, so he gave me that for free. I thought that was so nice of him. He didn't have to do that. So yeah, because I was like, I don't want to buy any more things. I'm sorry. But yeah. So we've loved this so far. This is our last stop of the trip, so we're gonna have to really take these moments in. I think I'll try and film as much as I can, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see, because I mean we'll take all this stuff in because the last bit of our honeymoon. Oh, that's such an amazing time. We had a couple of drinks when we arrived as well. Was the bidet all right? Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye. Omma Beach Club is actually this. We went to that waterfall and literally we are sweating our tits off. It's so hot. It's unbelievably hot. It's so humid. It's unreal. We're dripping. Almost drowned. Almost drowned. Ryan's off. Ryan has gone off. Ryan's off. Look at this. It's so stunning. Infinity pool. Did someone say infinity pool? Oh, shit.
Roasting 1 kilogram of coffee around 45 minutes until 1 hour by the small fire until the bean shake color like this one. Yeah. Oh. This one from the luar. Yeah, when they come out first time, they look like this. And then this one after so cleaned by hot water.
Yeah, hot water. Oh.
Yeah. Before we roasting over there, we need caffeine.
Yeah. Less caffeine.
Yeah, more special than normal coffee.
Oh, okay.
Pineapples. I thought pineapples were big trees.
Oh no, that's the
Chocolate tree.
Oh,
yeah,
sorry.
Oh,
cocoa.
Bean inside.
Yeah.
We
it's nice.
make chocolate, sometimes we make oil.
And oil.
And what we have two types of coffee trees, that is Arabica coffee tree and the Robusta coffee tree. So that one, the big one, that is Robusta coffee tree. And then this one.
So this one, lift up. This one is the Rosalia tea. Try. Kapu coffee. Kapu coffee. What are you doing?
That could
Avocado coffee. Tastes like avocado.
really creamy.
Is it?
It's creamy like the avocado. It's like really cat poo coffee. Very hot on it.
Oh, go on then. Hello everyone, welcome to our last day in Ubud. Sorry, I'm just turning on the lights. I'm gonna talk and walk, because Ryan's waiting for me with the shuttle, or we're gonna have a walk around and stuff. Anywho, yes, the other day, well, it became more of a montage sort of film, which wasn't intentional. Gosh, all these lights. It wasn't intentional. It's just that I was we just couldn't vlog, like, I couldn't talk to the camera for everything because I became so tired. It was a long day, but it was so cool. We went to the waterfalls, and then we went to a coffee making place where we tried cat poo coffee. Look at that. Don't know if you can see that. Gorgeous. Anyway, cat poo coffee, and don't know what else we tried, like other different Bali coffees. It's great. So today we're going into the centre to get, you know, those little bits for our home and then presents for family and stuff, so it should be good. Right, I just need to walk up this hill first. Ice cream, which tastes like croissant, just very like subtly, and honeycomb on this side, on the outside, and Ryan got mango and durian fruit, and that tastes funky to me. Ryan likes it though, so that's all that matters. Ryan's in the cabana. Oh, I'm currently sunbathing. With no sun in the sky.
There is sun in the water, or is that what?
Oh, I should put this lower. It's currently, what time is it? 4:50, 10 to 5. Got a dinner reservation at the hotel. Our last dinner at 7:30. No, 7. Oh gosh, after already soon. That's why I'm not going into the pool. So yeah, we managed to get late checkout for tomorrow, which is good. And our taxi or transfer that they organised for us picks up at 3:30. So it's actually, and then our flight is at 8. So it's actually not that much like free time. So I think tomorrow we're gonna chill by, obviously because we'll have nowhere else to go technically. We'll chill by the hotel's main pool, and then they also have like a shower and things like that, so we can use their facilities while still here, which is really good. I thought there was a bug on my neck then, this is my necklace. So yeah. We went to Ubud Centre. I'm so tired, guys, I'm so tired. Yeah, we went to Ubud Centre, and it was so nice. Then we went to Simply Social. The food was actually really, really good. That was really, really good. Last night we went to, what was it called last night? Oh, Milk and Madu. And that was still good, but it wasn't as good as Simply Social. Like, I don't know, the food was still nice, but it just wasn't, you know. I actually went to go to Pisca, I think, but it was fully booked, which is fair enough because we tend to book things quite late. But yeah, Ubud Centre's so busy. I think it's because, like, you know how London Centre is? Think of that with more cars. No, it's not more cars. Think of that with like a smaller street, smaller pavements and a smaller road, and everyone just on top of each other. It was still good to, like, you know, we got a few pieces. We got like this egg thing, so one of our knickknacks for holiday. And then I got like a bag, which they probably would sell in Topshop for 30 quid. I got it for £8, I think. So got that. And then what else did we get? Oh, I got my sister a dream catcher, which is nice. And then we went for food, which you would have seen. So yeah, it was all in all very good. And this is my view right now. That is my view. With Ryan over there. I hope Ryan shut the door properly. Don't want bugs in the room at night. Yeah, it's shut. So yeah, I think I'm just going to chill and sunbathe right now. I feel like it's very I think I said that before, but it's like a very montagey video. Like, I'm not really thought about picking up the camera much. Not that I'm a big YouTuber that needs to, but I do enjoy it. But yeah, I definitely went to capture most of the moments as much as I could. There'll be a lot of phone videos, sorry guys, but phone videos is also fine. So yeah, now it's just chill time. Okay, I'm tired until we need to get ready. So yeah, our last dinner, we booked like the dinner by the poolside, and they're gonna like decorate it for us and stuff, which will be nice. So yeah, I'll probably film that on my phone as well, because I won't bring my camera, and we'll just have a nice food. Yeah, it's been a lovely honeymoon. I don't want to go back. You know, the place that I love Bali, don't get me wrong, but the place I loved even more was Singapore. I really loved Singapore. Granted, we were only in the hotel, so I think we would have to go back and see how, like a different hotel or different side to Singapore, or maybe have like Ryan's friend lives in or she's from Singapore even, so maybe one day when she's there we can go as well and then experience Singapore in a different way. Like, I really loved it. I would even consider moving there depending on work and stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed this honeymoon so much. I don't want to go home. We have started, to be fair, you know, when it's time to go home, when you start to, well, not that we've done any work, but we have started like reading our emails properly and stuff, and it is the end, so yeah, just seeing what there is. So yeah, reality slowly setting in. But when I get home, I'm gonna tattoo, and it's Pride as well, so I think we'll go to Pride festival. And then on Sunday I'll be sleeping all day, or Ryan and I will be sleeping. He might work, I might work a bit. But anyway, I'm watching Love Island, or maybe I'll watch Love Island on the couch whilst working as well, just to catch up. But, time to go. Last swim I've managed to wear, I've literally managed to wear all my swimsuits as well. To be fair, granted, I only wore this white one that I have once, and that was literally walking to the spa. So fair dues on that one, but I've actually managed to wear all of them. Oh my gosh, I need to paint my toenails. Right, I'm just rambling. Check you later.